Okay, I think I've come up with the idea for today. I mean, sun is setting around about 10 o'clock. And as I said, I just want to get out of Germany to really start feeling like I'm on this trip, you know? So yeah, since the sun's setting at 10 o'clock, grab some McDonald's on the road a bit later than we covered for food, and we get as close to Denmark as possible. I feel like I got the energy at the moment to do that. So let's do that. Let's go as far as we can. I don't mind if today's a long day. The closer I get to Denmark, the happier I am. That looks like a lot of rain up there.